Hello.
This is planet position of languages and words. Of course, people language yes.
Hello, and welcome to Planet Word. Step up to the mic and say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yo.
Hi there.
You're standing in front of about 1,000 words. And that's not even 1% of the entire English language.
He friended me.
You can call it an innovation. And one of language's greatest innovators was Shakespeare. I know. He gets credit for inventing all these words. But let me tell you a secret. We know Shakespeare was the first to write them down. But it's possible other people actually invented them.
In this best-selling new kind of cookbook, Chef Samin Nasrat has taken this cooking.
Everything's a wheel, turning and turning, never stopping.
The frogs is part of it.
I was more isolated than a shipwrecked sailor on a raft in the middle of the ocean. Thus, you can imagine my amazement at sunrise.
And a conservative America.
There is the United States of America.